Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a collagen hot chocolate. Yes, two of my favorite ingredients into a superfood latte. We've got chocolate as well as collagen powder. But how do I transform it into this? This is amazing. It's a beautiful collagen hot chocolate which you can have in the mornings or in the afternoons. So if you like today's recipe and content, click on the subscribe button. It will help my channel grow, and you can follow me on social media in the links below in the description of this video. So let's begin. So guys, let's talk about collagen. What is collagen and why is it important, and what is the benefits of collagen? Well, collagen is a type of abundant protein found in your body, right? So what collagen does is it strengthens the tissues of your body, meaning your skin, your gut, your stomach lining. What I must emphasize is that this collagen, you can get it from an animal source or you can get it from a fish source. So always double check when you buy it from when you buy it from a health retailer, that your collagen sources are perfect for you, whether it's a meat source or whether it's a fish source. All right. So let's get into the recipe. So in terms of the ingredients, you need chocolate. So I've got 70% dark chocolate. Up to you in terms of what ratio you want to use. Maybe a milk chocolate is better for you. Look, you could even do a white chocolate if you'd like, but I prefer 70% dark. Even stronger, 85% if you can't find that and you can't handle it. Up to your palate. Then we've got cocoa powder. Cocoa powder, you can do, again, the milk version of it, or you can do a 70% cocoa powder. Up to you. And obviously the key ingredient is collagen. Now you can look at the collagen. It looks just like maize meal or like refined flour, but it's actually a fantastic source of crystalline goodness, if I can put it as such. Get this from an organic retailer. I bought it online. Again, always double check the source of your collagen, whether it's fish-based or meat-based. Unfortunately, from a vegan perspective, it is very difficult to find collagen in that particular source. So I stuck to a meat-based one because I wanted to. And then you can obviously use any type of milk, whether you're using dairy or plant-based milk. In my case, I use soy and a mixture of rice milk. So what you're going to do is you're going to boil your milk, right? Your plant-based milk or whatever milk that you have, probably 100 to 200 ml. Then you're going to pour that into your mug or your glass of choice. Don't let it boil too much. You want it steaming but not over boiling it, because you don't want it to also damage the collagen peptides. Remember, it is a protein source, so protein gets denatured by temperature or extreme temperatures, so you want it pretty much simmered. Once you have it in your glass, you can add a scoop of your collagen powder. I add a scoop is fine. I don't think you need to add more than that. Remember, your body can only absorb a certain amount of protein, right? Then we add the beautiful cocoa powder. I added 2 scoops of cocoa powder. Love it. One of the tricks that I found, which I highly recommend that you guys do. Anyway, so once we're done with that, you can add your cocoa pieces or your chocolate. And you can add 1 or 2 if you're on a diet or you're watching your calories. Maybe 1 mini slab is fine. Mix that all together. I don't add any honey, I don't add any sugar, because I get the sweetness from the rice milk in my milk that I've chosen. So it's up to you. You can add some honey or maple syrup, mix that all together, and you've got a collagen hot chocolate. Simple as that, guys, in under a minute. And then you can obviously decorate it or garnish with fresh edible flowers. I've used rose petals, and you sprinkle that, and you can use this as a fantastic way to impress your friends and your family. I have it in the morning or I have it in the afternoon. You can do it once a day. You can change up the flavors if you like. I have a video coming up that will show you the different flavors of collagen superfood lattes. But for now, I think this is an amazing recipe for you to have at home. So guys, it was that simple. It cannot get easier than that. Why have a hot chocolate when you can have a collagen superfood hot chocolate?